Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily English Podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mark. So happy to have you here again.
This is your cozy space to practice real English. Not a lesson, just conversation. Listen, enjoy, and maybe speak along with us.
Exactly. Nothing stressful, nothing formal. Just slow, natural English for your day.
Today's episode is for B1 learners, but beginners are welcome too. Just relax and listen. Think of it like soft background music.
Imagine you're sitting in a quiet cafe. Two friends are talking, and you're just listening, smiling, maybe catching a new phrase to try later.
At the end, we'll do a short word tour, a slow review of new words from today so your brain can remember them.
Okay, Anna, big question. New Year's Eve, party or pajamas?
Definitely pajamas, soft clothes, cozy food, maybe two close friends. I'll probably fall asleep before midnight.
No countdown for you?
Nope, my body does its own countdown. Around 11, it says, good night.
I like that. I think I'll do something similar. Stay home, cook something nice, light a candle, maybe a video call with family.
I used to feel pressure to go out, do something big, post cool photos. Now I just want peace and connection.
That's healthy. And you, listener, are you planning a big party or a quiet night at home? Maybe cozy with your favorite blanket.
Whatever it is, we're glad you're spending some time with us today.
Let's take a moment to think about this past year. How did it really feel?
For me, mixed. Some proud moments, some stressful weeks.
I can relate. One week this year was really hard. Everything happened at the same time. Work deadlines, family issues, messages. I felt completely overwhelmed.
Too many tasks, too many thoughts. Your mind feels full. Even small things seem hard.
My phone was like my boss that week. Morning to night scrolling, answering messages, saying yes to extra work.
Maybe you felt that too. Take a moment, quietly think of one hard moment you had this year. You don't need to say it out loud.
Now, let's look for a bright moment. One evening at home, I invited a few close friends. We cooked simple food together, then sat at the table for hours laughing. No phones. I felt really safe.
Safe. That's a beautiful word. I remember one good moment too. A listener sent a message. I listen to your podcast when I feel anxious. It helps me feel less alone.
Wow, that's touching. Even small gestures can make a big difference.
Exactly. Maybe you had a small moment like that too. A walk with a friend, a cup of coffee, or even understanding a phrase in English for the first time.
Now, let's think about what this year quietly taught us. For me, I learned that my time isn't endless. If I say yes to everything, I lose myself. Choosing fewer meaningful things gives me energy again.
I learned I don't need perfect routines to be a good person. Small, kind routines are better than perfect plans that break.
So let's move gently into the new year. One thing to stop, one thing to keep, one thing to start.
Stop doing what drains your energy.
For me, it's my phone. I want to stop turning it into a stress machine. Late night scrolling makes me anxious.
I want to stop living on autopilot, just reacting without thinking.
Keep something that brings calm. I keep my evening wind down. Dim lights, tea, a few pages of a book, no phone.
I'll keep my morning walks, just walking outside without a plan, no phone. Even 10 minutes helps me reset.
Start something small. I'll talk to myself in English more often, like describing what I'm doing while cooking or walking.
I'll start one screen-free morning a week. Drink coffee, write, think quietly offline for the first hour.
One stop, one keep, one start. Not a huge life change, just a quiet upgrade.
And we do it in English, so you improve your language while improving your life.
Now, let's do a calm word tour. First word, overwhelmed. Feeling too much at once.
Doom scrolling. Scrolling online even when it makes you anxious or sad.
On autopilot, doing things without thinking.
Emotional baggage. Old feelings you still carry.
Take a toll, slowly draining your energy.
People pleaser. Saying yes when you really want to say no.
Wind down, slowly relax after a busy day.
Reset. Start fresh, like pressing a restart button.
Bite-sized, Small, easy to do.
Frantic, very stressed and rushed.
Intimidating, feels too big or scary.
Negotiate, discuss to find a middle ground.
Poisoning, slowly hurting your peace or confidence.
Grounded, calm, steady, connected to yourself.
You don't need to memorize all the words. One or two is enough.
Try using one word in a sentence today or write it in your notebook.
Language grows quietly through repetition.
Let's land softly here. One stop, one keep, one start is enough.
Take care of your energy, and we'll talk again soon.
Bye for now.